I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the speaker and ensuring it has charge. Low battery can disrupt pairing. Once on, press the pairing button or hold power until the LED flashes. This signals discoverable mode. Next, open Bluetooth settings on your device and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. You may need to toggle it off and on to refresh. You do this now so both devices are actively searching, which speeds connection and avoids delays before you move to selecting the speaker. You will see a list of nearby devices. Tap the speaker name that matches the label. Once selected, the device attempts pairing. If a PIN appears, enter 0000 or 1234 or follow the speaker manual. After pairing, make sure the audio output is set to the Bluetooth speaker in your device's media settings. Sometimes apps need the output selected manually. You should hear a tone or see a steady LED indicating a success. You finish by balancing volume levels, set the source to about 60–80%, and then adjust the speaker to avoid clipping. If audio cuts out or pairing fails, unpair the device, turn Bluetooth off and on, or restart both the speaker and your phone. This clears cached issues. Make sure you are within roughly 10 meters and remove walls or other wireless interference. If nothing works, consult the speaker's reset procedure. Resetting often resolves persistent pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.